Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to launch control BMW X3 M40i. Start with the engine warm, battery charged, and tires at proper pressure. Put the car in Sport or Sport Plus mode and switch off stability aids. Hold the brake firmly, floor the throttle, then release the brake to engage launch control. Practice in a safe, legal space and monitor temperatures between runs to avoid overheating. Begin by checking tire pressures and ensuring the engine and transmission are warm. Choose Sport or Sport Plus driving mode and disable traction or DSC systems as required. Press and hold the brake firmly with your left foot while you full throttle with your right foot. Release the brake smoothly when the rev limiter holds the desired RPM and maintain control as the X3 M40i accelerates. Always prioritize safety and legal driving. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds atmosphere to your garage, plays tuning playlists, and answers hands-free questions while you work on the X3 M40i. It's compact and easy to use near your shop or living room. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Treat launch control like performance driving, not a casual trick, and respect mechanical limits. Give the drivetrain cooldown periods between runs and watch transmission and differential temperatures. Check tires and brakes frequently and address any unusual noises or behavior immediately. If you notice overheating or limp modes, stop and let the vehicle cool. For repeated practice, plan maintenance checks and consider professional track support to preserve the car's longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.